So, it's been a while. If you've watched any of my most recent videos, they are from footage from over a year ago. Just kidding, that's incorrect. They're footage from September of 2020, and it is June of 2021. And I just had my last two finals of my undergrad career. So we're just, we're just doing that whole grad thing, which is fun. I'm not gonna wear this hat for the whole video. I'm gonna make that very clear, but we're doing it. We're graduating and the tassel just fell off, which is very fitting for this very fascinating year. Having senior year during a pandemic has been a really unique experience that I did not think I was going to be able to claim, but here we are. So that's fun. Yeah. So I just had, as you know, my last final. Now I have to deal with the realities of moving again. So I feel like I am almost always moving in these videos because I only ever make videos when I'm going somewhere or moving somewhere. And perhaps that will be a post-grad thing we improve upon. But anyways, this was my room. You have only seen it in some various state of disrepair because I don't think I ever managed to make a video while I was like in the middle of the year. My roommate has already moved out because she finished her finals a couple days ago. And she has family friends over, but I have to figure this situation out in the next couple days. I move out. Today's Thursday, I move out Saturday, and graduation is on Sunday, so that's fun. And is the current state of the apartment. Oh, let that adjust. It doesn't really look like it did most of the time we were here. I have to take my posters down and do, those are dishes we're giving away, but do my last round of cleaning and packing up stuff and pulling everything down. And that's kind of wild stuff, but it's progress. I did a little laundry yesterday. I don't know, I'm rambling. I haven't recorded in a while, but graduating is kind of a wild big deal. And then I move home and try to find a job, which is exciting. So that's where we're at. And I'll probably take you through the process of me moving out and going home and then graduating. Exciting, I guess. I did not spend a lot of the last hour and a half getting stuff done, but I'm heading over to coffee to just hang out with a friend of mine and my roommate, and it'll be good. And then maybe I'll do some packing after that. Okay, it is 1:30 and I did not get a lot of packing done, but I did work on a handbook for the new photo editor for next year, which was a thing I had forgotten I had to do. So I wrote like 4.5 pages for that. So that is the thing that I did. I think that's productive. There's something in my eye. Also, I went to a cider place and had a cider flight, which was very nice. And yeah, I'm gonna pack tomorrow. But before I pack tomorrow, I'm gonna go to the art event that I have, and it'll be great. Yeah. I am aware I said 2 in the morning. It is 3 o'clock. That's fine. Anyways, I went to the art center. Oh, that was unstable. I went to the art center meetup thing that we were doing. And I have to show you the bag that they all gave us because it's so cute. She's so cute. I love it. It's a tiny bit damp because it was raining, which was fun. But afterwards, after like hanging out for like an hour, a whole bunch of us went and got lunch and just hung out and talked for a little bit. And it was really nice. And now I'm here and I have to pack, and I'm going to actually do that now. So cue montages. I don't know. doing laundry in here for, I think, the last time. Full disclosure, I'm pretty sure the main reason why I end up recording every time I like move in or out is because turning it into a video project is the best way to keep myself from getting distracted and just ending up sitting on the floor looking at random stuff I've come across. So, as a result, I'm turning this into a video project so that when my parents get here tomorrow, I'm actually packed and not just sort of sitting there looking at them when they arrive going, oh, you know, I put these things in boxes and we just have to do the rest and it'll be fine. Because historically, when I have said any variation of we just have to do the rest and it'll be fine, it's not that much work. I have been incorrect and it has taken about 3 times as long as I originally estimated. So we're trying really hard not to do that again. So this is what we're doing. We're turning this into a fun little video project so that I have accountability with myself. Why does it work? I don't know, but it does. I also have this weird problem that I don't know how to explain when it's like I'm packing or something. I do this thing where I can't tell, I'm like high key might be out of frame. I do this thing where I don't want to pack too soon, because if I pack too soon, I'll just be sitting in an empty apartment, and then like that's not good. And then ultimately, every single time I wait too long. I also do this sometimes when I'm like getting ready to go somewhere. I'll be like, oh, I don't want to get ready too early, and then I might accidentally end up there early, and then I inevitably end up being like, oh, I can do my makeup and eat breakfast in 10 minutes, and that is wrong. So, fun times. Anywho, we're gonna start the washing machine. We're gonna do normal, cool, and start. Fantastic. This will be the last time we wash laundry. And now on to other things. We continue packing. Working on my staff and editor evaluations for the Falcon, which is like kind of my last official assignment, even though technically I'm done with school. But I think this is like I'm technically done for real now, because I did all the Canvas things I have to do with my job finally, because I'd kind of forgotten about them. Anyways, that's been going. It might still be going. There might be two camera angles going here, but it's doing like a time lapse as I was working. Not pictured is the like hour and a half of scrolling on TikTok that I did before I started this, in between when I was working on the stuff that's currently on the floor and when I started this, but disregard that. Anyways, I'm gonna make dinner soon. It's 6:43 right now, and then after that I think start the dishwasher and pack up clothes, because the dryer should be done. I have to check to make sure. Our dryer always takes like a cycle and a half, which is really annoying, but I did a small load, so it might not be an issue. Anywho, dinner. I need that now, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, I just made this ramen with 2 eggs. Normally I just do 1, but I'm trying to clear out the fridge, so it's usually very good. It's my favorite kind of ramen. Anywho, best dinner. I just took the trash out, and oh my gosh, it is move out. I don't know what it is, but people throw away so much stuff. Like there is a dumpster worth of stuff next to the dumpster. So that's fun, because I still have more stuff I need to get rid of. Not a whole lot. There's like shelves and stuff out there. I'm like, I just was trying to take out my normal trash. Anyways, I'm gonna fold some laundry, and then I think we're gonna put away all of the clothes into suitcases, and I set aside one outfit for tomorrow, so, and I guess I need to set aside pajamas for tonight. But other than that, I'm gonna put away all of the clothes. So that's the next step. Midnight update. I've been working for several hours and I'm tired. So very soon I'm going to take my contacts out, go to bed, and do whatever's left in the morning. But this is the contents of the kitchen. All of the drawers at this point are empty. All the cabinets are empty. We do have these things on the counter. I have to figure that out. And then as far as the room goes, the dresser is empty, and my desk is empty, so there's stuff on top, and obviously there's stuff on the wall that I'm gonna have to deal with, but these things are empty, so that's the contents of my dresser. And yeah, I think in the morning I'm gonna consolidate some more of these things that are on the tops of stuff and take the last of the decor down. Last time, what I ended up doing with the wall grate things was I essentially just took them and laid them directly on top of the, what I ended up doing with the hanging clothes is laying them flat, and then I put the grates, you can tell I'm tired, directly on top of the hanging clothes, because it's only an hour drive, so it's fine as long as things are stable. But that's probably the plan again. I don't know. I don't really want to have to disassemble them if I can help it, but we'll see. So obviously there's still some more work in the morning. My parents are probably gonna get here around noon-ish, so hopefully I'll wake up by 8:30 or 9, get breakfast, shower, and get some more work done. So I'll see you in the morning. Alright, it is 9:40-ish, and I showered and got dressed, and now I'm gonna go get my breakfast because I packed all the food and the plates and everything. So I'm gonna go get myself probably a croissant and a coffee, which is great. And then we will continue the packing saga. My parents should get here around noonish, I think. Hopefully we can get a lot of it more done before they get here. Alright, I've got my croissant and my coffee. And I got myself a 16-ounce iced lavender latte with an extra shot of espresso and oat milk because I had a free punch thing, so anyways, those are interesting birds. Distracted. And I also got myself this big croissant. The wind almost blew away the little paper thing. For my breakfast, and I'm eating out here because it's nice, and also because I don't want to make a ton of more crumbs in my apartment. So that's the deal. It's actually, I brought a jacket with me when I was on the way over to the coffee shop. And I was like, okay, I do not need this. It is sufficiently warm outside, which is nice because yesterday it poured literally the whole day. So this is an improvement. All right, I've eaten breakfast. And I know I said I thought I was doing my last load of laundry yesterday, but I realized I kind of want to wash my sheets before I bring them home. So we're going to do that because I only have, I'm pretty sure, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure I only have flannel sheets at home, and it's not going to work. So I'm gonna get these clean, and I want to buy new ones, but these will have to work for the meantime. So I'm gonna wash those, pack up the rest of the bedding, and continue on with all of the tasks. So there we are. Alright, so it is 2:45. We've had lunch, and a good portion of the stuff is in the minivan, and then we're working on the last couple of things. A little bit more cleaning to do. There's still some decor on the walls that we will be taking care of. But that's where we're at, and I feel like the next spot we'll check in is when we're on the road. Alright, It's like 5:13. This is the last item, and then we're going. I'm trying to remember if I'm supposed to lock the door. I'm not really 100% sure, but anyways, we're empty. There you are. Good stuff. I am so very tired. Back in Tacoma. It took us, I don't know, like an hour to drive home, which wasn't bad. The traffic was not bad. And we are getting dinner at Mod. And we've already eaten most of it because we're all very hungry. Alright, it is 12:30. I am home. I'm getting ready for bed. After Mod, we dropped Wolf at home. I need to go back to Trader Joe's because I had to pick up some food stuff. Because there's some family coming over tomorrow to watch my graduation on, I don't even know, I think it's streaming on YouTube because, you know, anyways. My room is full of stuff, so that's fun. I might document the process if it helps keep me accountable. I guess we'll see. But thank you for coming along on this little journey with me and watching me pack, essentially. It's been fun.
Nicole,
L.O.
Marissa, Joy, Alvin, David,
Nice.
and
Now we
Catherine.
come back.
Yes,
You've graduated
sure.
college.
Losers.